Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. Today I will be making some delicious roasted meat, no grill required. I'm excited. Let's get started right now. So in this blender I have onions, red, yellow, and green bell peppers, habanero peppers, and some garlic. I'm going to blend this all up and add it to a bowl. I'm adding 1 to 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. So right here I have some cubed green, yellow, and red bell peppers and onions. I washed the meat and I'm adding it to the bowl. You can use any amount of meat you want to. I'm going to season this really well and start adding it to the kebab sticks. So my daughter Chanel wanted to help and she loves helping in the kitchen. So here she is helping her mama. So all she doing is adding the onions, the bell peppers, meat. You can go in any order you want to, but we're just trying to make it look pretty. So after we added the meat, peppers, and onions to the kebab sticks, I placed them on a cooling rack and I have aluminum foil covering a baking sheet. I'm going to bake this at 400 until it's done. So keep an eye on it and just check it and make sure it's not burning or anything. And yeah, this is what it looks like right out of the oven. It was so good. Oh my gosh, you have to try it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.